Good morning, everyone. You are watching MERI News. I am Priya.
And I'm Akshita.
Let's begin with the news headlines. India leading and shaping AI revolution, says PM Modi at AI Impact Summit.
Major infrastructure push with Brahmaputra Bridge opening.
Peace outreach efforts bring hope in Manipur.
Tech innovation and digital growth put in global spotlight.
Indian stock markets show strong performance.
India defeats Netherlands by 17 runs in ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Shivam Dube starts with match-winning performance.
Now news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said at the AI Impact Summit that India is playing a leading role in shaping the global artificial intelligence revolution. He emphasized that AI should be human-centric and used for public welfare and inclusive development. Modi highlighted India's digital growth, skilled workforce, and innovation ecosystem as key strengths. He also stated that India aims to become a major global AI power in the coming decades.
The government of India boosted infrastructure development in the northeast with the inauguration of the Kumar Bhaskar Verma Setu by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Built over the Brahmaputra River in Assam, the bridge improves connectivity between Guwahati and North Guwahati, significantly reducing travel time and easing traffic congestion. The project is expected to promote trade tourism and regional economic growth while strengthening transport links in northeast India.
Renewed peace outreach efforts in Manipur have created fresh hope for stability as Chief Minister N. Biren Singh initiated dialogue with community leaders and affected groups to ease tensions in the region. The government has focused on confidence building measures, relief support, and open communication to encourage reconciliation and restore normal life. These initiatives aim to strengthen trust between communities while promoting long-term peace, development, and social harmony, making a positive step towards resolving ongoing challenges through cooperation and democratic engagement.
India has gained global attention due to rapid growth in technology, artificial intelligence, and digital infrastructure, is strengthening its position as an innovation hub. Events like the India AI Impact Summit 2026 highlighted India's leadership in digital transformation, while platforms such as Unified Payment Interface showcase successful large-scale digital adoption, increasing investments, a strong startup ecosystem, and expanding AI use across sectors are boosting economic growth and global confidence in India's tech future.
This week, Indian stock markets witnessed a positive rally as benchmark indices traded higher, reflecting strong investor confidence and supportive global market trends. The Sensex, listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, and the Nifty 50, traded on the National Stock Exchange, remained in the green due to steady foreign investment inflows and optimism around economic growth. The IT sector played a major role in driving gains with leading companies like Tata Consultancy Services and Infosys recording strong buying interest, positive global cues, and stable inflation expectations, and improved corporate outlook further supported market momentum, making it a strong and encouraging week for investors and the overall Indian economy.
India secured a 17-run win over the Netherlands in the ICC Men's T20 World Cup thanks to an outstanding all-round performance by Shivam Dube. Batting first, India posted a 6-strong total with a Dube scoring a quick 66 while bowlers later controlled the chase with disciplined spells. Despite a fighting effort from the Netherlands, India successfully defended the target to strengthen their position in the tournament.
That's all for this news bulletin. Keep watching MERI News.